The scope of sociology is exceptionally broad, encompassing the systematic study of human society, social behavior, and the complex patterns and structures that shape social interactions. Sociology aims to understand how individuals and groups are influenced by social forces and, in turn, how they shape society. Key areas within the scope of sociology. Social institutions. Sociology examines the structure and functioning of major social institutions such as family, education, religion, government, and the economy, analyzing their roles in shaping individual behavior and societal dynamics. Social stratification. The discipline investigates social hierarchies and inequalities based on class, caste, race, gender, and other factors, studying how these divisions impact access to resources, power, and opportunities. Social change. Sociology explores how societies evolve over time, focusing on the causes and consequences of social change, including modernization, globalization, technological advancements, and cultural shifts. Social interaction and relationships. It studies how individuals interact within groups, organizations, and communities, analyzing the formation of social norms, roles, and networks. Culture. Sociology analyzes cultural beliefs, values, norms, and symbols, and examines their influence on socialization, identity, and group cohesion. Applied sociology. The field applies sociological insights to practical areas like policy making, social work, community development, and organizational behavior. Levels of analysis. Micro level focuses on small-scale interactions, such as individual and group relationships. Macro level analyzes large-scale social structures and processes, such as institutions and societal trends. Theoretical approaches and methods. Sociology employs diverse theoretical perspectives, example, functionalism, conflict theory, symbolic interactionism, and a range of research methods, both quantitative and qualitative, to study social phenomena. It is inherently interdisciplinary, drawing from and contributing to fields like psychology, economics, political science, anthropology, and history.